I had a concept of doing two look in one look. So let's say if you have this specific A perm, what if you remember exactly what to do? So of course you'd do T perm or well, the adjacent corner swap algorithm, and then you'd wait to recognize. What if you always remember what case you're gonna get next? So if you see A perm, you would know you get Z perm, and then you of course learn to do the exact same AUF for the Z perm, and then just execute it. So faster would look like this. So it saves time because you don't have to recognize twice, you only have to recognize once. The only downside is that you need to learn to recognize all of the PLOs, which I guess it is painful, but I guess it's a decent start to doing full PLO without learning the algorithms, for the time being, that is. Anyway, these are the algorithms. Okay, for A perms, for this A perm, where headlights are here and this block is here, you just do a T perm, jump straight into Z perm. This one, you just align the two headlights here, then do T perm, then do U prime, then do Z perm. For the J perms, you do T perm and jump straight into UB perm. For JA, you do T perm, either do back UB perm from here, like that, or do U2 and then do a UA perm. For the R perms, for RA, you do T perm and then either do a U perm from the back, so like this, or U2 and do it from here. For RB perm, you would do T perm and then do a UA perm from here. For T and F, for T perm, you would just do T perm and it'll solve itself. For F perm, you would do T perm and then do H perm. For G perms, for GA, you do T perm, then do U, and then do UB perm. For GB perm, you do T perm. I personally finger trick the U prime like this because whenever I execute T perm, my finger stays here, so doing a U prime like this is much easier than just regripping and doing U like that. Anyway, U prime, then do UB. For GC, you do T perm and do U and then do UA. For GD, you do T perm and then do U prime, then do UA perm from here. For Y perm, you just do Y perm. For V perm, align the block to your right and then do Y perm, and then jump straight into H perm. For NA perm, you do Y perm and then do a U prime and then do UB. For NB perm, do Y perm, then either do a A perm from the back or do U2 and then do a UA perm from the front. So that's about it for today. Like if you found it helpful, subscribe if you want more tutorials, and goodbye. See you.